Kike's Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare a very simple mashed potato recipe. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do. We'll really appreciate. Remember to click the notification button so that you get my content every time I post. The ingredients that I'm going to use are Irish potatoes or waru. I've used a 1/4 kg, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of margarine, 3 cloves of garlic, and coriander or dhania, and 1 cup of milk. Let's get to the next step. In this step, I'll add water and let it cook. Meanwhile, I'm going to add milk in another cooking pot. Then I add the margarine. Then I'll add garlic. And then I'll let it simmer. It's ready. I'll remove it and set it aside. Our potatoes are almost done. It's ready. I'm going to set it aside. I've transferred my potatoes in this dish. I'm going to mash them. Here it is. I've already mashed. I'm going to add this mixture, the one that I boiled. It was made up of milk, garlic, and margarine. So I'll pour inside and continue mashing. So after mixing everything together, I'm going to add a pinch of salt, and black pepper, and mix everything together nicely. Here we are. I'll serve. Our mashed potato is ready and it's very, very yummy. You can see how lovely it looks. I like taking it with some kachumbari, but you can take it with chicken stew or beef stew. Whatever your preference is, it's okay. You should try it out and let me know how it will turn out. Remember to hit the subscribe button, comment, share. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.